Welcome back, guys. Welcome back again. To another video. This is YouTube tutorials part 2. So I just post YouTube tutorials part 1 to YouTube. Not like posted, I posted it privately. So we're gonna go visit it in private, and I'm gonna show you, walk through how to do custom thumbnails, do all that sort of stuff. So we're gonna go here. We should need to stream this on Discord, guys. No, always gotta do that. I need to unjoin the voice chat here. This is my last video there. Okay, we're gonna go live. You guys are probably know well how to go live on Discord now from me doing all this stuff. Alright, so we're gonna go to Discord. We're gonna go to YouTube, not Discord. Here we go. Go to your channel. Come up here. No, it doesn't show up, obviously because it's in private, so we're gonna go to custom. Now, I told you guys Video Manager, very helpful, so we're gonna go to Video Manager. I would watch YouTube tutorial part 1, you need to go watch that. So, when you hover over it, you can see, when you hover it, you can see these buttons here. That's analytics, that'll help tell you like how your video's been doing on YouTube, views-wise, comments-wise, like who's viewed it in the last few hours. This will be viewed on YouTube, so you can click that and you can see the video on YouTube. You can still look at the comments, so you can go view the comments, and this is details. This is what we're going to use today. We're going to put details. Now, this is My Movie 1, so we're going to go to My Movie 1, we're going to do that. We're going to we're going to put YouTube tutorial part 1. PT.1, and we're gonna do 2 slashes. We're gonna go setting up a YouTube channel. Okay, now we're just gonna go. Hope you found this helpful. Alright. No, so, we also, there was a song in the background of my video. So what we need to do is we need to get the link for that song. Now, never ever put a link to the song on like SoundCloud, Spotify. You always gotta do it on YouTube. So what we go is we're gonna go music in this video. So then we're gonna go like that, and then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna put the title of the song. So the title of the song is Droplets. I'm gonna put space Droplets. And the author of the song is Vexento. Okay, now here we're gonna have a song link. So we need a link to Vexento's YouTube channel. We also need a link to the song. So we're gonna click on another tab up here. I'm gonna go to YouTube again. I'm gonna search Vexento Droplets. This is a song, so I'm just gonna click up here. Okay, so it's gonna come up with an ad, guys. Sorry about that. So we're just gonna go here and we're gonna click share, and we're gonna copy that. Now we're gonna go back to video details. We're gonna double click here. It'll be right click on Microsoft, guys, and you're gonna go paste. So yeah, then we're gonna go Vexento, and we are going to link to his channel too, so guys, because we are nice, right? We're gonna be nice. We are gonna click on his channel. Okay, now here's his channel, guys. So up here, we're gonna click here, and now it's gonna come up with this thing. So we're gonna go Command C on Microsoft. That will be Control C. So video details. Now we're gonna go Command V. Obviously on Microsoft, it will be Control V because we don't use Control so much here. So now it has like if you can see, it has the thumbnail options here. Now we might wanna do a custom thumbnail, but we're gonna do that later because we need to do verification. I haven't done that yet. Sorry about that. I said I was too bad. Sorry. We're gonna public. Boom. Playlist, and we're gonna make create a playlist called YouTube tutorials. YouTube tutorials. create. Tutorials done. Alright, now we're gonna have an end screen, guys, but we're not gonna do that yet because we haven't posted any other videos. I'll show you how to make an end screen. Another tutorial. Now, the reason I've clicked no, it's not kid friendly, and this is what you need to do, guys. This is tips and tricks right here. Is because yes, this video is fine for kids to watch. Kids out there watching this video, it's fine for you to watch. But the reason I've done that is if you click yes, it's made for kids, you can't have mini player, you can't have comments, you can't have end screen, cards, watermarks, nothing. So we want to have that because I want to know if you guys found my video helpful and stuff like that. So we're going to click no, it's not made for kids. Now there's other ways that you can change. Oh, I did not want to do that. There's other ways to change that. So now we're just going to go and we're going to save this. Save. Now it'll take a few seconds because I've changed a lot. Now the changes are saved, guys. The changes are saved. So this video I'm gonna go view on YouTube and I'm gonna make sure that it's published. Yeah, so yeah, it's published, guys. And then we're gonna go here to actually wait, no, I'm gonna go here. And I'm gonna go to top. So you have top tech tutorials here. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna add a comment saying, "Hope you found this helpful." Okay. Hope you found this. Comment there. So yeah, that's basically all for this video, guys. And then yeah, so I can love comments, I can do that sort of stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. I really hope that you tune back in, subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful. And I will see you in another video, guys. Goodbye for now.